Which href value should I use for JavaScript links? Hash or JavaScript void 0? The following are two methods of building a link that has the sole purpose of running JavaScript code. Which is better, in terms of functionality, page load speed, validation purposes, etc.? I use JavaScript void 0. 3 reasons. Encouraging the use of hash amongst a team of developers inevitably leads to some using the return value of the function called like this. Function do something. Some code return false. But then they forget to use return do something in the onClick and just use do something. A second reason for avoiding hash is that the final return false will not execute if the called function throws an error. Hence the developers have to also remember to handle any error appropriately in the called function. A third reason is that there are cases where the onClick event property is assigned dynamically. I prefer to be able to call a function or assign it dynamically without having to code the function specifically for one method of attachment or another. Hence my onClick, or on anything in HTML markup looks like this. onClick equals some function call, this, or onClick equals some function apply, this, arguments. Using JavaScript void 0 avoids all of the above headaches, and I haven't found any examples of a downside. So if you're a lone developer then you can clearly make your own choice, but if you work as a team you have to either state, use href equals hash, make sure onClick always contains return false at the end, that any called function does not throw an error, and if you attach a function dynamically to the onClick property make sure that as well as not throwing an error it returns false, or use href equals JavaScript void 0. The second is clearly much easier to communicate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.